To install the Arspora 30 F1 high-velocity range hood, please confirm cabinet compatibility dimensions in advance. 4-step check for installation feasibility. Step 1. Cabinet width, 29/12/16 755 mm. Step 2. Cabinet height, 29 15/16 760 mm. 33 14/16 860 mm. Step 3. Overall height, 50 9/16 1386 mm. Step 4. Cabinet depth, 11 7/16 291 mm. Power supply within 1 meter 39 6/16 of the range hood. Exhaust pipe opening diameter, 6 5/16 160 mm.